good morning everyone. Today we are going to discussing about matrices from Karnataka city. First, we are discussing some basic things here. First, what is meant by matrix? Right? Here matrix is nothing but a rectangular arrangement of numbers in a rows and columns. Right? Is called a matrix. Matrix is nothing but what here? A rectangular arrangement of numbers in a rows and columns is called a matrix. Right? Matrix is represented by the capital letters A, B, C, D. Right? Matrix is represented by the capital letters A, B, C. And the elements of the matrix is represented by either maybe functions, the small letters A, B, C, D, right? Yeah, next. Here what is meant by matrix? A rectangular arrangement of numbers in a rows and columns. Right? The matrix is denoted by the capital letter A, a rectangular arrangement of numbers, right, or functions. Right? Here A is the matrix. It is a rectangular arrangement of, these are the elements of the matrices. Right? A, B, C, D are called the elements of the matrix here. Right? Next, what is the order of the matrix here? We are discussing. Order of a matrix, right? A matrix having m rows and n columns. A matrix having m rows and n columns. Then the order of the matrix is m cross n, right? But is order of a matrix. A matrix having what here? Rows is denoted by the symbol m is there, and column is denoted by the symbol n here, right? Then the order of the matrix is what here? M cross n, right? M cross n. We read it as m cross n. Or m by n. Right? The matrix having m rows and n columns, then the order of the matrix is what here? M cross n. We read it as m cross n, or we read it as m by n here. Right? Here generally, here A is equal to, right? And the matrix is represented by capital letters A rectangular arrangement of, we have to take the elements or numbers 3, 4. Right? Here matrix now m rows. M rows is nothing but what here? Horizontal lines. Right? Here how many horizontal lines are there? Is the first and this one is the second. Here 2 horizontal lines. Right? It is called the what here? Rows. And columns are called the what here? Vertical line. Right? How many vertical lines here? This is the first and this one is the second. Right? 2 vertical lines. Right? The order of the matrix is denoted by what here? M cross n. Here m rows, 2 rows are there, and how many columns here? This is the first column and this one is the second column. 2 columns. Right? 2 cross 2 order this matrix. And another example. Right? Here how many rows are there? First one and this one second is, and this one is third. 3 rows. Right? And how many columns here? First column, this one is second, and this one is third. Right? A matrix having what is order here? 3 cross 3 order. Right? This is the order of the matrix here. Right? And next, in general, in general, M cross N matrix. In general, M cross N matrix is A is equal to Aij order M cross N. Right? A matrix here, ith row jth column element here. Right? Here, how many rows are M rows and N columns. Right? Here, Aij is the element of ith row and jth column. Right? In general, when M cross N matrix here, A equal to Aij. Here M is nothing but rows and N is nothing but column. Here Aij is nothing but what here? Aij is what here? Element of ith row and jth column. Here I is nothing but row number and j is nothing but what here? Column number. Right? Next, the number of elements in a M cross N matrix. The number of elements in a M cross N matrix will be equal to M into N element. Right? Suppose for example here A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Then this one. What is the order of this one matrix? How many rows are there? First row, and this one is the second. 2 rows, and how many columns here? 2 columns. 2 cross 2. Right? The number of elements in a M cross N matrix. Right? It is a M cross N matrix will be equal to what here? M into M elements. Right? 2 cross 2 matrix here. 2 cross 2 how much here? 2 into 2 how much here? 4. Then 4 elements, the order of the matrix, it is equal to the number of elements are present in the given matrix here. Right? Next one. Next, types of matrices. Types of matrices. First one, row matrix. Right? What is meant by row matrix? A matrix having only one row is called row matrix. Only one. Right? Any number of columns here. Right? A matrix having only one row, then any number of columns is called a row matrix. Right? Here, for example, here A equal to 1, 2, 3. Right? Yes. Right? It is an example for the what here? Row matrix. Right? What is meant by row matrix here? A matrix having only one row. Here, how many rows are there? One row. And how many columns? First column, second column, and this one is the third column. Right? The matrix of order what here? 1 cross 3 here. Right? Next. Right? Here it is an example for also row matrix. Right? What is the order of this one matrix here? In generally, then row matrix, what is the order here? How many rows are there? One row. And how many number of columns here? Then columns is denoted by the symbol is what here? N. Right? Then row matrix, in generally, what is the order here? 1 cross N order. Right? Next one, column matrix. What is meant by column matrix here? A matrix having only one row is called row matrix. And what is meant by column matrix here? A matrix having only one column. Right? Is called a column matrix. For example, A equal to right? Here how many columns are there? One columns. First we have to denote the rows. Right? How many rows are? 3 rows cross. How many columns here? 1 column. What is order of this one matrix here? 3 cross 1 order. And next. Right? What is the order of this one matrix here? How many rows are there? The rows denoted by the symbol is what here? M rows. Right? First row, second row, third row, up to how many rows there? M rows. And then how many columns here? Only 1 column. M cross 1. In generally, the column matrix, what is order here? M cross 1 order here. Right? And next one. Next one, singleton matrix. Right? Singleton matrix. Right? What is meant by singleton matrix? Right? A matrix having what is meant single is nothing but what here? 1. A matrix having only one element is called a matrix having only one element. Right? Is called what here? Singleton matrix. For example, equal to 2. Right? Here how many elements are present in the matrix here? Only one element here. Right? This is called what here? Singleton matrix. Right? Null. Null matrix or zero matrix. Right? Null matrix or zero matrix. What is here? A matrix having all the elements are 0 is called what here? Zero matrix. Right? A matrix having all the elements are 0. Right? Is called a zero matrix. For example, here. Right? Zero matrix is denoted by zero matrix is denoted by in this way. Right? Then zero matrix. What is meant by zero matrix here? A matrix having all the elements are 0 here. Right? It is an example for the what here? Zero matrix. And of order what here? 1 row and 1 column. 1 cross 1 order. And this one is also an example for the what here? Zero matrix. What is the order of this matrix here? 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 cross 2 order matrix. Right? Next one. Square matrix. Diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix. Identity unit matrix. Okay. Right? Here are types of matrices. First one here, square matrix. What is meant by square matrix? A matrix having a matrix, yeah, A equal to Aij, right? I throw jth column element here. A matrix Aij is a square matrix, right? A matrix A equal to Aij is a square matrix right? What is meant by square matrix here? The number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Equal to number of rows equal to number of columns. Right? The matrix A is a square matrix. What is meant by square matrix here? The number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called a square matrix. Right? For example, A equal to right? In the square matrices, here ith row, jth column element, right? It is an element of first row, first column, and this one is the first row, second column element, first row, third column element, second row, first column, second row, second, up to third row, third column element, right? Here I is nothing but what here? 1, and j is nothing but what here? 1, right? Here A11, A1, A2, A3, right? Then row number, it is equal to the column number, then that elements are called the what here, right? Are called diagonal elements. Are called diagonal elements, right? Line joining these elements is called what here? Leading diagonal element or principal diagonal elements here, right? What are the principal diagonal elements in the square matrix? What is order of this one square matrix here? First row, second row, and third row. 3 rows and 3 columns, right? The number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called what here? Square matrix, right? In the square matrix, only the square matrix is possible from diagonal elements. And in the rectangle, what is meant by rectangular matrix here, right? The number of rows is not equal to the number of columns. That matrix is said to be the what here? Rectangular matrix here, right? In this matrix here, row number equal to column number, then that elements are called the what here? Diagonal elements or principal diagonal elements, and the remaining elements are called the what here? Non-diagonal elements, right? Which one are the non-diagonal elements here? A12, A13, A21, A23, A31, A32, right? These elements are called the what here? Non-diagonal elements, right? We will line joining these elements called the what here? Principal diagonal elements, right? These are called the what here? Principal diagonal elements in the square matrix here, right? For example, right? It is a square matrix. What is order of this one here? 2 rows, 2 cross 2, right? What are the principal diagonal elements in this matrix here? 2, 7, right? These are called the what here? Principal diagonal elements, right? Next one, diagonal matrix, right? Diagonal matrix means what here? A square matrix. A square matrix, A equal to Aij, right? Is said to be a diagonal matrix. Is said to be diagonal matrix. Non-diagonal elements are 0. Non-diagonal elements are 0 except principal diagonal elements. Except principal diagonal elements, right? I have to write it as short form, principal diagonal elements, right? What is meant by diagonal matrix here? A square matrix, right, is said to be what here? Diagonal matrix, right? When possible from the diagonal matrix, a diagonal matrix is always what here? Square matrix. Non-diagonal elements are 0 except principal diagonal elements. For example, right? It is an example for the what here? Diagonal matrix. What is meant by diagonal matrix here? non-diagonal elements are 0 except the what here principal diagonal element, right? It is a square matrix, right? 2 cross 2 order, the number of rows is equal to number of columns, right? These are 1 and 2 are called what here principal diagonal elements, and remaining are called what here non-diagonal. What is definition here? Non-diagonal elements are 0 except the what here principal diagonal elements. It is called the what here diagonal matrix. It is an example for, right? And remaining example for, it is also an example for the what here diagonal matrix, right? What is meant by diagonal? Non-diagonal elements are 0 except the what here principal diagonal elements, right? It may be the principal diagonal elements are same, or it may be the different here. It's no problem. Next, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means what here? Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. Principal diagonal elements are same. Principal diagonal elements are same, right? Is called a scalar matrix, right? Scalar matrix is a what here diagonal matrix. What is meant by diagonal matrix? In the diagonal matrix, non-diagonal elements are 0 except the what here principal diagonal element. But in this case, scalar matrix, principal diagonal elements must be what here same here. For example, it is an example for the what here scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is a what here diagonal matrix, right? A diagonal matrix means what here non-diagonal elements are 0 except the what here principal diagonal elements, right? Principal diagonal elements is not 0 here, right? And non-diagonal elements are what here 0 here, right? But in this case, scalar matrix, principal diagonal elements are the what here same here, right? And non-diagonal elements are 0, right? It is a scalar matrix, right? Here every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but every diagonal matrix is not a what here scalar matrix here, right? Every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but every diagonal matrix is not a what here scalar matrix here, right? And identity matrix. Identity matrix means what? A matrix, a square matrix, equal to ith row jth column element, right? If principal diagonal elements are unity are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. Non-diagonal elements are 0, right? Identity matrix is nothing but what here? Identity matrix is always what here? Square matrix, a square matrix. If the principal diagonal elements are unity are 1 and non-diagonal elements are what here? 0. And identity matrix or unit matrix is denoted by identity matrix. What is the first letter here? I. Then identity matrix is denoted by the symbol is also I. We have capital letter I. And identity matrix. What is meant by identity matrix here? Identity matrix is always what here? Square matrix, right? Square matrix means what here? The number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Principal diagonal elements are the what here? Unity. Unity means what here? 1, right? And non-diagonal elements are the what here? 0, right? This is the identity matrix of order what here? 2 cross 2, right? And next one, another example, identity matrix here. It is also an example for the what here? Identity matrix, because the principal diagonal elements are the what here? Unity are 1 and non-diagonal elements are the what here? 0 here, right? This is an identity matrix of order 3 cross 3 here, right? Next one. Next one, addition of matrices. addition of matrices, right? Here addition of matrices. How to add two matrices here, right? If A and B are, how to add two matrices here? If A and B are added, right? If they are same order, if they are same order, then only addition of matrices is possible. Otherwise, it is not possible here, right? For example, for here, A equal to I through jth column element whose order m cross n order, and another matrix B. Here B is an element of I through jth column whose order is also m cross n order. Then how to add two matrices here, right? Then A plus B is equal to the addition of the matrices. A plus B is equal. We have to add the corresponding elements of the matrices A and B. A plus B is equal to Aij plus, what is the second matrix element here? Bi, right? What is order here? M cross n order, right? And when the matrix addition is possible here, if A is a matrix of order m cross n order and B is matrix of order m cross n order, right? Because it is the same order, then only matrix addition is possible. Otherwise, it is not possible here, right? Then A plus B matrix is order is also what here? M cross n order, right? For example, right? A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal to 2, 4, 5, 6, right? Yes. A plus B is equal to, right? How to add two matrices here? We have to add the corresponding elements of the two matrices here, right? Here first column element of the A matrix and B matrix whose corresponding elements is what here? First column element 2 is there. We have to add 1 plus 2. Next 2 plus 4. Next 3 plus 5. Next what here? 4 plus 6. Right? Here A plus B is equal to, right? 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 8, 10. Right? Right, here A matrix, what is order here? 2 cross 2. And B matrix also order what here? Same order here, 2 cross 2. Then A plus B matrix, what is order here? It is also in a same order, 2 cross 2 here. That's why here A matrix, here I through jth column m cross n order, and B matrix also same order m cross n order. Then A plus B matrix also what is order here? M cross n order here. Right? Next. I throw jth column and B jth column. The order m cross n order, m cross n order. Right? Here A plus B matrix. Right? Sorry. Here A matrix and B matrix. Suppose we have to multiply by any scalar of the matrix A and of the matrix B. Right? Then Ka plus Ka plus Lb is same order. Okay. Here A matrix here and B matrix, what is order here? M cross n order, and B matrix also M cross n order. Then Ka plus Lb is same order. Here K and L are called what here? Constants or scalar. Right? Suppose here A matrix, Aij, here M cross n order. We have to find out K. K is nothing but what is scalar multiplication. K. It is equal to what here? K into, we have to multiply every one element of the matrix. Also M cross n order, and here B matrix, B M cross n order, Lb we have to multiply inside the given element of the matrix M cross L, right? Here Ka plus Lb, right, is equal to what is the order of this one matrix here? K Ij, whose corresponding elements are what here? L B, whose order is what here? M plus N, right? The matrix A matrix, we have to multiply in the any scalar, then the matrix order, the given matrix order is not changes here, right? This one is the one important point here. And similarly, the subtraction of the matrix is also same procedure, right? Plus sign is replaced by the what here? Minus sign. We have to write it as minus sign, right? And also minus sign, right? In the addition and the subtraction is similar procedure here, right? How to add and subtract two matrices here, right? A matrix and B matrix having what here? Same order. Then we have to add or subtract the corresponding elements of the two matrices here, right? We have to multiply in the two matrices here. A matrix we have to multiply by the any scalar, and B matrix also we have to multiply by the any scalar. Then addition and subtraction of that matrix is here. Then the matrix order is not changes, right? This is the one important point here. And next one. Properties of addition of matrices. What are the properties here? Right? First one, A plus B is equal to B plus E. Right? This is the commutative property. Right? In the addition of the matrices, then commutative property can be satisfied. And next one, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C, right? It is an associative property. Then associative property is also satisfied in the matrix addition of the three matrices, right? And next one, A plus it is equal to E, right? Here A plus here is nothing but what here? Zero matrix. A is a non-zero matrix. Then we have to add the zero matrix. Then what is the non-zero matrix is comes? That is the matrix is comes here, right? A is the non-zero matrix plus zero matrix. Then again comes what here matrix? A matrix, non-zero matrix is comes here. Fourth one. Fourth one is what is the fourth one here? Right? It's over. And next one. Next. Here 0 is nothing but what here? Zero matrix. That is 0 is nothing but what here? That is additive identity. And next one, matrix multiplication. That is an important thing. Matrix multiplication, right? A and B are the two matrices. Right? If A and B are the two matrices, the number of columns of a matrix A is equal to number of rows of a matrix B. Matrix, right? When the matrix multiplication is possible here, if A and B are the two matrices here, non-zero matrix here, the number of columns of a matrix A is equal to the number of rows of a matrix B in general. Here A equal to ith row, jth column element. What is the order here? M cross N order, and B is another matrix. B is an element of ith row, jth column, whose order P cross Q. Right? Here A and B are the two matrices. Then when the matrix multiplication is possible here, the number of columns of a matrix A is equal to the number of rows of a matrix B. The number of columns of the matrix A, what are the number of this denoted by the number of rows, and N is denoted by number of columns. In the matrix B, FB is denoted by the number of rows and Q is denoted by number of columns. Right? Then the number of columns of the first matrix A is equal to the what here? What are the number of columns here? Here. And number of rows here? N equal to P. Right? The number of columns of the matrix A, it is equal to the number of the number of rows of the matrix B here. Then only matrix multiplication is possible here. Right? Here multiplying A and B. Right? Then what is the order of the AB comes here. Right? Here Aij into Br. Right? What is the order comes here? Right? Here the number of rows of the first matrix into the number of columns of the second matrix comes here. Right? Then in this case AB can be defined here, but BA it is not necessary to define. It not we have to define here in this case. Right? Then which one case? Then AB and BA both can be defined. Right? What is the matrix multiplication here? The number of columns of the first matrix, it is equal to the what here? The number of rows of the second matrix. Then only the matrix multiplication is possible. We have to find out AB but not BA. Right? It is not necessary to need. Next one. Note. First one. Note. A equal to Aij, whose order M plus N, and P matrix order P cross Q order. Right? There are two matrices here, A and B. Right? Next, then in AB and BA both can be defined. How to define both? Both are the cases here. Right? The number of columns of the first matrix, it is equal to the what here? The number of rows of the second matrix. N equal to P. In this case, AB is defined here. Right? Next, BA. The number of rows of the first matrix, it is equal to the number of columns of the second matrix. Right? In this case, both can be defined, AB and then AB and B. Both can be defined. Right? Which one case? AB and B both can be defined here. Here A is a matrix whose order M cross N order, and B is the matrix whose order P cross Q order. Then the number of columns of the first matrix, it is equal to the number of the rows of the second matrix. Next, AB can be defined here. Then B, how to define BA? The number of rows of the first matrix, it is equal to the number of columns of the second matrix. In this case, then AB and BA both can be defined here. But it is AB, it is not equal to B. AB not equal to BA. Next, second one. Here, if A, B, C are three matrices. A, B, C are the three matrices of same order. Then A into BC, it is equal to AB into C, right? And the commutative property can be satisfied for the matrix multiplication. Here A, B, C are the three matrices of the what here? Same order. Then only A into BC is equal to AB into C. Next one, here A into B plus C, it is equal to AB plus AC. Right? Here this is the distributive property. Right? A into B plus B, we have to distribute A into B plus A into C. Then distributive property can be satisfied in the matrix multiplication. Next, fourth one property here, A plus B into A minus B. Right? It is not equal to A square minus B square in the matrix multiplication. Right? Then we are using the formula A plus B into A minus B. How to write it? A square minus B square. But in the matrices, then A plus B into A minus B. It is not equal to the what here? A square minus B square here. Right? And next one. Transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix. If A equal to Aij is a matrix of order m cross n, of order m cross n, then the matrix obtained by interchanging rows into columns, of matrix A is called a transpose of a matrix, right? Here what is meant by transpose of a matrix here? The matrix A is a matrix of order. What is order here? M cross n matrix is given here. Then the matrix is obtained by what here? Interchange the rows into columns here. For example here, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Here A is the matrix of order. What is order here? How many rows? First row, and this one is second. 2 rows. How many columns? First column, second column, and third column. 2 cross 3 order. Right? This is the matrix. A is the matrix of order what here? 2 cross 3 matrix. Right? Then the matrix is obtained by what here? Interchange the rows into columns. Right? This is the first row, and this one is the second row. Right? Here transpose of a matrix. Next, a transpose of the matrix is denoted by the symbol. This we have to read it as A transpose or A dash. Right? This is called what here? A transpose, or we have to read it as A dash. A dash is nothing but what here? A transpose. Transpose of a matrix. What is meant by transpose of a matrix? We have to interchange the given matrix rows into columns is called a transpose of a matrix here. Right? Next, we have to interchange the rows into columns. We have to write 1, 2, 3. Right? First row we have to interchange into columns. Next, 4, 5, 6. We have to interchange the. Right? Then the A matrix what is order is given here? 2 cross 3. Then A transpose equal to what order comes here? First row, second row, third row. 3 cross 2. Right? In general, here A equal to Aij, whose order m cross n. Then the transpose of the matrix what is order comes here. A transpose of the matrix denoted by the symbol is what here? This is a transpose of a matrix A, or have to A dash. You have to write it as A dash. It is equal. Right? What is the transpose of a matrix here? We have to interchange the rows into columns of the matrix here. Right? Here you have to interchange the rows number and column. Right? But here m cross n order is there. Then A transpose equal to what comes here? N cross m order changes here. Right? M cross n. Right? This is the transpose of a matrix. Next one, properties of transpose of a matrix. properties of transpose of a matrix. First property, A transpose whole transpose, it is equal to A. Next, second one, for example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to find out the A transpose. Here A transpose equal to, we have to interchange the rows into columns. 1, 2, and next one rows into columns. We have 3, 4. Next, here A transpose whole transpose. A transpose whole transpose. It is equal to, we have to interchange again rows into columns. What happens here? 1, 3, and 2. Right? Then A transpose whole transpose is equal to what comes here? The matrix, given matrix A. That's why A transpose whole transpose is equal to what here? A. Next, second one, A plus B transpose, it is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Right? Third one, A into B transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Right? Next, next one, symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. What is meant by symmetric matrix? A square matrix. A square matrix A equal to I pro j column element is a symmetric. Is a symmetric. A equal to A transpose. What is meant by symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix is always what here? Square matrix, right? A equal to A transpose comes here. That matrix is said to be the what here? Symmetric matrix. For example, right? Yes, A matrix. We have to interchange the rows into columns. A transpose is equal to. Right? We have to interchange the rows into columns. We have to write first row, interchange into first column. 1, 0 shifted here. Right? Next we have to interchange the second row, second column. We have to write this instead. Right? Then again A equal to what here? A transpose. Right? This matrix A, the given A matrix is said to be the what here? Symmetric. Right? And next one, skew symmetric. Next one, skew symmetric. Yeah, skew symmetric is nothing but what here? What is the symmetric matrix? What is the condition here? A equal to A transpose. In the skew symmetric, a square matrix A equal to Aij is a skew symmetric. Skew symmetric minus A equal to A transpose. Minus A equal to A transpose. Right? This is called the what here? Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix is always what here? Square matrix. When the square matrix is said to be skew symmetric here, minus A equal to A transpose, that matrix is said to be what here? Skew symmetric. And note an important here. In the skew symmetric matrix, the principal diagonal elements are 0, we have to take here. Right? Then only skew symmetric matrix is possible here. Right? For example, A equal to matrix A equal, right? Here what are the principal diagonal elements here? These are called what here? Principal diagonal elements, right? These principal diagonal elements must be have to take what here? 0. Then only skew symmetric matrix can be we have to possible here, right? Now, we have to find out A transpose. It is a A transpose here. We have to interchange the rows into columns. We have to interchange the first row. We have to write this first one column 0, 5, minus 8. And second row we have to write it as in this type, second column minus 5, 0, 12. And third row we have to interchange into third column A minus 12, 0. Right? Next. Here, what is the condition for skew symmetric here? Minus A equal to A transpose. Right? We have to, A matrix, we have to multiply by the minus sign. Minus A equal to. Right? We have to multiply the minus sign for each element of the matrix here. Right? Here 0 and minus 0 is also same from 0. Right? Next 5 minus 5, minus into minus what happens here? Plus. Right? And next one minus into minus what here? Plus 0, and this one what happens here? Minus 12, and this one minus 8, minus into minus plus next 0. Right? Here what is the A transpose here? This one. Then minus A equal to what here? A transpose. Right? Then minus A equal to A transpose. The given matrix A is seen to be the what here? Skew symmetric. Then when the skew symmetric matrix is possible here, then principal diagonal elements are we have to take a what here? 0 here. Right? Then only skew symmetric matrix is possible here. Right? Next one. The symmetric matrix, what is the condition here? A equal to A transpose, and skew symmetric what here? Minus A equal to A transpose. Next one, we have to write it as for any square matrix, A, for any square matrix here A equal to Aj, then A plus A transpose is a symmetric. A plus A transpose is a symmetric. First one, right? And second one, A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. Right? Second, for any square matrix here, then the given matrix A is the square matrix here, then A plus A transpose is equal to what comes here? Symmetric possible here. Then A minus A transpose is what here? Skew symmetric. Right? For any square matrix, next one. For any square matrix A. For any square matrix A is expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Right? For any square matrix A is expressed as what here? Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Right? Symmetric, what is symmetric here? A plus A transpose divided by 2 plus A minus A transpose divided by 2. Right? This is the part of the symmetric matrix plus this one is the what here? This part is called the what here? Skew symmetric matrix here. Right? Half of the part of the symmetric matrix plus half part of the what here? Skew symmetric matrix is expressed as what here? The given square matrix A here. Right? This is one more important formula here. And next one. Third one. A is symmetric. Next. B into AB dash is a symmetry. Right? If A is a symmetric matrix here, B into AB transpose is also a symmetry here. Right? The sum of symmetric, what is the formula? A plus A transpose divided by 2 plus A minus A transpose divided by 2. Right? Half of the part of this symmetric plus half of part of this symmetric. It is equal to the what here? The given matrix A. The given square matrix A here. Right? Next one. Invertible matrix. Invertible matrix. What is meant by invertible matrix? If A is a square matrix of order m cross m, right? And m cross m is nothing but what here? The number of rows is equal to the number of columns. N is denoted by the what here? Columns. Here m equal to n, right? If A is a square matrix of order m cross n, if there exists another square matrix, there exists another square matrix of order m cross m1, right? It is the same order, right? Then A into B is equal to B into A. It is equal to what here? Identity matrix, right? If A is when the matrix A is said to be the invertible matrix here, if A is a square matrix of order m cross m order, the number of rows equal to the number of columns, right? If there exists another square matrix of order what here? It is also same order. Then AB equal to BI equal to I, right? Then the matrix A is said to be the what here? Invertible matrix. For example here, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, right? Then here A is a square matrix of order what here? 2 cross 2, right? If there exists another square matrix of order what here? M cross M, then AB equal to BA equal to what here? I. Here B is called the what here? Here B is called the what here? Inverse of A, right? Here B is called the what here? Inverse of A. How to find out A inverse? A inverse is what is the formula here? Adjoint A divided by determinant of A, right? Here A is equal to this one, right? We have to find out how to find out the adjoint A 2 cross 2 matrix here. Then 2 cross 2 matrix adjoint is what here? We have to interchange the principal diagonal elements and sign change the non-diagonal elements of the 2 cross 2 matrix, right? We have to interchange the principal diagonal element 2, 1, and we have to sign change the principal diagonal elements, right? -3, -2. So the adjoint A, right? Next, we have to find out the determinant of A. How to find out determinant of A? Determinant of A equal to 1, 2, 3, right? Then 1 2s are 2. We have to multiply the minus sign here. 3 2s are 6. 2 minus 6, how much here? Determinant of A is equal to how much here? -4, right? Here A inverse is equal to, what is the formula here? 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint, or adjoint A divided by determinant of 1 divided by determinant of A, how much here? -4, right? Into, what is adjoint A? 2, -2, -3, 1, right? Is the A inverse, right? Next, here what is the condition here? AB equal to BA equal to identity matrices comes here, right? Here B is called what here? Inverse of A. Here A inverse, right? Here B is called what here? B is equal to what here? A inverse, right? Here B is equal to what here? A inverse. What is the A inverse here? 1 divided by -4 into 2 -2 -3, 1, right? We have to multiply A and B matrix. B in place of, we have to substitute what here? A inverse. A into A inverse is equal to what happens here, right? Then A into, right? What is A matrix here? 1 2 3 2. We have to substitute in that place. What is the A inverse here? Into 1 divided by -4, 2 -2 -3, 1, right? Then -1 divided by -4 kept as it is here. Then we have to multiply the two matrices. 1 2 3 2, 2 -2 -3, 1. 1 divided by minus 2. Right? 1 2s are 2. Plus into minus, minus. 2 3s are 6. We have to multiply rows into columns. Plus into minus, minus. 1 2s are 2. Plus 2. Right? First row, second column is 3 2s are 6. Next, plus into minus, minus. 2 3s are 6. Next, second row, second column. Right? 3 plus into minus, minus. 3 2s are 6. Plus into plus, plus. 2 1s are, right? Then AB is equal to, what is AB? 1 divided by minus 4 kept as it is. It is a 2 minus 6, minus 4, minus 2 plus 2, 0, 6 minus 6, 0, minus 6 plus 2, 4. We have to, minus 4, we have to divide each one element of the matrix here, right? Minus 4 divided by 4, 0 by 4, 0 by 4, minus 4 by 4, right? Right? We have to dividing minus 4 on each element. Then what happens here? Right? Minus 4 by 4 how much here? Minus minus get cancelled. 4 ones are 4. 1, 0, 0, 1. What is this one matrix here? Identity matrix. Identity matrix is nothing but what here? Principal diagonal elements are equal to 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. Right? Right? When the matrix is said to be the invertible matrix here, if A is always what here? Square matrix of order m cross m, and if there exists another matrix B is there, here B is called the what here? Inverse of A here, right? Then AB equal to BA equal to what here? I. Identity matrix. Okay? Next one. Next one. And one more point here. If A and B are invertible matrices, A and B are invertible matrices, then AB inverse it is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Right? AB inverse is equal to what here? B inverse into A inverse. Right? If A and B are said to be the invertible matrix, then AB inverse is equal to what here? B inverse into A inverse. Right? And next, one more important thing here. If A is invertible matrix, if A is invertible matrix, we have to multiply by any scalar k of the matrix A. Then K is invertible. K is invertible. Then K inverse it is equal to 1 by K into A inverse. Right? This is the important property. Right? If A is a invertible matrix, we have to multiply K is a any scalar. We have to multiply by the invertible matrix here is also an invertible. Then Ka inverse it is equal to 1 by K into A inverse.